The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is still some time away from release, with reports pointing to a January 17th event. But, with less than 50 days to launch, we've gotten what seems to be our first glimpse at the handset, and it appears we may anticipate a tiny but substantial design change. Curved screen borders have been replaced with a fully flat panel. The information was obtained by ex-user David Martin in a Spanish-language post on the site. It's an account with fewer than 1,000 followers and no track record to go on, which would typically be cause for concern if it weren't for the confirmation from Ice Universe, who said that it has been confirmed that this is the real Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung has been delivering its top handsets curved edges for years, mostly for aesthetic reasons. With a screen that wraps around the device's edge, the phone seems slimmer and has less bezels than it really does. However, it has some apparent disadvantages, including making screen replacement more difficult and costly in the case of a breakdown. Screen protectors are also more difficult to install uniformly. So Samsung's change might be a gesture to repairability, or it could be related to the handset's architecture. According to prior reports, the handset will be built out of titanium for the first time, and it's possible that the new material just works better with a more classic flat design. That titanium seems to be prominent here. 9 to 5 According to Google's reporter, you can see fingerprints on the device's frame, something titanium iPhone 15 Pro users have also seen. Along with this new look screen, the S24 Ultra is expected to have a new 50MP telephoto lens, an improvement from the present 10MP one, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions. The most significant change for the device, however, may be a software one, with Samsung seeking to include generative AI into its forthcoming devices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.